Welcome to
Fun for Kids.
Like, Share, Subscribe. Let's have fun!
Little Bo-Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Little Bo-Peep fell fast asleep and dreamed she heard them bleating. But when she awoke, she found it a joke, for they were still all fleeting. Then up she took her little crook, determined for to find them. She found in the trees ash it made her heart bleed, for they'd left all their tails behind them. It happened one day as Bo-Peep did stray into a meadow hard by. There she espied their tails side by side, all hung on a tree to dry. She heaved a sigh and wiped her eye, and over the hillocks went rambling, and tried what she could, as a shepherdess should, that each tail should be properly gambling.